Guys, Nurse Abby here, and I just want to give a review of this Naloxone spray, and I'm not going to open it because I want it in case of an emergency need for it. But I have used medications with this delivery system before, and I just want to make sure that people buying it know what they're supposed to do with it. So if you need to use this gets put up either nostril. You're not going to accidentally put it up too far, but you also don't have to like shove it all the way up there. And then you just push this bottom part in, and it's not like, there's no pressure to it. It's very easy to push in, and also it only pushes in once. So it's not like, some meds you do a test spray, you might see people like puff it in the air, and then no, it only pushes in one time. So it's one dose. Don't push that in till it's in their nostril. So the directions are written really well on the back of the box to help people know what to do. So if you just have this on hand at a shelter with directions, almost anyone should know how to follow these directions. It includes pictures. But first, obviously, you want to try to get the person to wake up. You need to shake them. You need to yell, wake up. But if they're not waking up, you take this and you use your thumb. You put it in either nostril and you push that in, and it gives them the medication. Give the person a little bit of time, like 2 to 3 minutes, to see if it works. If it doesn't, you could give a second dose. While you're waiting to see if that first dose works, you should call 911. Call 911. 2 to 3 minutes, they're still very, very sleepy or not waking up, you continue to give doses every 2 to 3 minutes. It is safe to keep giving these doses. But yes, this is available anywhere. You can get this at any pharmacy. You should be able to ask for this even if you don't have a prescription, but Amazon's a nice, discreet way to get it if it's something you think you need to have and have on hand. And I do love that this box comes with very clear, even picture instructions, and even reminds the person to try to wake them up, give the medicine, call 911, watch and give more every 2 to 3 minutes, stay with them till the ambulance comes. So this medicine saves a lot of lives, and this is good packaging because it has good directions. Hope that helps you know if this is what you're looking for to buy, and hope it helps you know how to use this safely.